researching the best hashtags and topics for your Instagram campaigns. Hey there, friends! You've just turned your personal Instagram account into an optimized professional account to do business, and now you're ready for work. The first thing you'll do before creating content for the platform is to find the best hashtags to use with your account. Finding targeted keywords in your niche is important because you can add those as hashtags to your posts to make your content more discoverable. And in this lesson, we are going to share with you the easiest way to find the best hashtags and topics to use for your business. Getting started. You can easily find the best hashtags and topics for your business using Instagram's search function. For this, simply open the app while logged into your account and tap on the search icon. This will take you to the search page. Most people use this section to find trending content published by the accounts that they follow, related accounts, and to find content and accounts using keywords, just like they would do on Google. Likewise, you can use this feature the same way to find your hashtags and topics. Finding top hashtags and topics. You can start by checking what's on top of search results when you use one of your base niche keywords. A base niche keyword is simply a keyword that is common, high traffic, and openly used in your industry. For example, if you run an account for a beauty blog, you can use makeup as your base keyword. In our case, because we run an account for a wellness and health business, we are going to type healthy into the search bar. This will show you top results related to your keyword. As you can see, this includes personal accounts, business accounts, hashtags, and even locations related to that keyword. There are two things that you can do with these results. One is to take note of featured hashtags. As you can see, these hashtags are featured in millions of posts across Instagram, and they're targeted at users looking for specific topics related to your keyword. In our case, you can see that top topics related to our keyword include lifestyle and food. This means that you can add these long-tail keywords to related posts so we can reach people looking for that kind of content. The other way you can use these results is to explore featured accounts to reverse engineer the content that they create and to collect the hashtags that they use. For example, you can tap on this featured account to check their profile. Here you can see the keywords that they use and how they customize their profile. Let's tap on one of their posts. Then let's scroll to the bottom of the caption where we'll find the hashtags. As you can see, there are some hashtags on this post that you may not be familiar with, but that are related to the niche that we are researching. What this means is that there is an audience made of people that are using these hashtags to find this type of content. So, it is a good idea to save these hashtags to a file, so we can use them on a similar post to attract this audience to our account. Finding related hashtags. There is also a dedicated section where you will only find hashtags that are related to your keyword. Let's go back to the search section so we can show you. There, tap on the Tags tab. Here you will find all those other hashtags that you can use to reach your perfect audience. One thing you'll notice is that some of the hashtags on top were already featured in the top section. So the correct strategy here is to find lower traffic hashtags at the bottom of this section. Hashtags with 1 million posts or more are great because they are used by a lot of focused members of your target audience who are much more engaged with the content that they're looking for. This means that these hashtags, while they don't generate as much traffic as hashtags with over 20 million posts, generate more relevant engagement, and they're less likely to attract engagement from bots, which can lower the score of your account. So, what you'll do now is to tap on one of those keywords to see what type of posts are using it. This will help you to find ideas to create content of your own. Something cool you can do is tap on follow to follow content posted using this hashtag and to see even more related hashtags to examine and follow. And that's it, my friends. Now take your time to check the rest of the hashtags featured in the tag section so we can move to the next step.